Hello, I'm Carl from Eckert. Today we're going to be talking about our iron and our pots that are available for this year. This is our weekender. We'll start with that. Has a 1 gallon water reservoir, overflow so it can't get too wet, plug goes in the bottom, and the wicks bring up water to the soil. The customer only has to water about every 2 to 3 days in between waterings. Works out really well. They water from the top, saturates the soil, fills up the water reservoir. When they see water coming out the side, they're done. Come back 2 to 3 days later. This pot comes in 7 different colors. Black's the #1 seller, followed by our sand, seafoam green, terracotta, forest green, white, and blue is our new color for this year. Have 2 different hanger options. Number 12, galvanized wire. Or more ornate twisted. They both have sold real well for us this year. Customers are very happy with them. Then we'll go over here to our more commercial line. This is our 23. It's our workhorse. There's 27,000 of these somewhere in US and Canada. Same principle. 2.5 gallon water reservoir. Plug goes in the bottom, overflow so you can't get too wet, and the wicks bring up the water. This is offered in 2 colors. The blacks are #1. Then we came up with the cocoa brown. Works out very well. Have 3 different hanger options this year. 400 pound test chain, 250 pound test swivel, and new for this year, our closed hook swivel. It's worked out real well with a few people that were concerned about our open hook. Certain applications, this has worked out really well. Next is our 28-inch wraparound. Goes around any pole, round or square, 3 to 8 inches. Has a 2.25 gallon water reservoir, 2 overflows so it can't get too wet. Plug goes in the bottom. It's permanently mounted on any pole, round or square, 3 to 8, with hot rolled steel that's powder coated. Mounts with 2 Dodge nuts that are adhered at the factory. That pot stays on the pole year round. All the grower needs is the liner. Removable liner comes out very easily. Has 3 feet on it. We want to make sure when we fill it full of soil that the feet are full of soil. That's how we're getting water up to the soil, is with soil. This sits on the ground on a bench for growing purposes, and within seconds you got a new crop on the pole. Customers have been using this for several years and are getting between 2 and 6 days in between waterings.